Waterfront custom home on Lake Oconee in Forest Glen, Greensboro with max dock. Lovely home with great space for everyone. Built in 2020, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, plus bonus room upstairs. Primary bedroom, 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths and laundry are on the main level. Terrace level has recreation room den with kitchenette, media room, 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Hardwood floors main level, LVP lower level tiled baths throughout. The open plan has a wonderful kitchen, living room with stone fireplace and cathedral ceiling, and overlooks a beautiful, large covered porch and fenced yard, leading to waterfront and max dock with boat and jet ski lifts. There is a 2-car garage, plus a golf cart, boat toy garage on the lower level along with a second laundry and tons of space for a workshop and storage. Newer homes surround the property. Greene County with easy access to Greensboro, Madison and Athens. Owners enjoy using Instacart delivery from Publix and Costco. Greene County Schools. A peaceful neighborhood and setting for enjoying Lake Oconee.